Finally, it's time to focus on my dream project, building a massive, immersive medieval LEGO world. To kick things off, I want to give you a grand tour of all the sets I've gathered that will form the foundation of this kingdom. Let's start with the crown jewel, the 10305 Lion Knight's Castle. This is without a doubt the essential centerpiece for any medieval collection. You might notice some black tape on these boxes. That's a little moving hack I used. To save space, I carefully packed smaller sets inside these larger ones, since the big boxes have so much empty space. I made sure to label every pack, like this one inside the castle box labeled 71822, so I can easily find everything. This is actually a large Ninjago dragon set. And the second must-have, I'd say it's the Dungeons and Dragons set. It's packed with amazing fantasy elements, like the dragon, dwarfs, and magical characters that will add so much life and story to our world. Now let's look at the incredible Creator 3-in-1 Black Falcon Castle. The best part about this set is that you can buy multiple copies and combine the different builds to create a truly massive, custom fortress. It's a builder's dream for expanding a castle wall. This next one is a personal favorite of mine. The Medieval Blacksmith. The building design is just gorgeous, filled with intricate interior details. Plus, it comes with a ton of weapons and armor to equip our armies. Then we have what I call an essential community set. The Medieval Town Square. LEGO has released many castles over the years, but a dedicated medieval town is incredibly rare. This is only about the third or fourth in all of LEGO history. If you're a castle fan, I highly recommend grabbing this before it retires, or we might be waiting years for the next one. Here's a special one, the very first Bricklink set I ever bought. The Castle Siege Encampment. It's perfect for creating a dynamic siege scene outside the gates of the Lion Knight's castle. And I love that it comes with a whole squad of Black Falcon minifigures. From the same Bricklink series, I also have the medieval Seaside market. It looks a bit more like a fortified castle itself with all that grey, but it has a unique character that I'm excited to integrate. Now, this Viking Village might not be strictly medieval, but the aesthetic fits perfectly. I'm thinking of building it and then modifying it to blend seamlessly with the medieval town square. We're also venturing into fantasy with the Hocus Pocus cottage. I plan to convert this spooky, detailed building into a rustic inn for the town. Similarly, the Snow White cottage has a fantastic medieval timber frame structure that I can't wait to repurpose. And of course, we have the Legend of Zelda. Great DEKU tree set. The build and all its unique accessories will be an amazing addition to the fantasy side of the kingdom. I also have to mention two very special gift with purchase sets. The Forest Hideout and Majisto's Majistical Workshop. These hold a lot of nostalgia for me, as they were sets I dreamed of as a kid. One of them even includes that super rare Dragon Knight minifigure. Beyond buildings, a medieval world needs dragons. I have a few from the Ninjago series, and I know my Creator and Maleficent dragons are packed away in one of these boxes, ready to take flight. I also have these containers full of my older medieval sets. I'll be digging them out, rebuilding them, and giving them a new life as part of this combined kingdom. For all of these, I'll first build them by the book to appreciate the techniques. And then the real fun begins with modifications. That's the grand plan for now. I am so excited to start this journey and share every step with you. And while you're here, if you want a taste of the armies that will inhabit this world, go check out my minifigure armies video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.